Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a truly fascinating and perhaps a little unexpected question. Could silverback gorillas, those magnificent, powerful primates, actually survive in the wild landscapes of China? It's a thought experiment that sparks a lot of curiosity, so let's explore it together. When we think about silverback gorillas, we picture them in the dense, misty forests of Central and Eastern Africa, places like Rwanda, Uganda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Their natural habitat is very specific: high-altitude montane and lowland tropical forests, where temperatures are relatively stable, humidity is high, and there's an abundance of the specific vegetation they need to thrive. They are primarily herbivores, relying on a diverse diet of leaves, stems, bamboo shoots, fruits, and even bark. These gentle giants also need vast, undisturbed territories to support their family groups and ensure a steady food supply. Now, let's turn our attention to China. It's a country of immense geographical diversity, from scorching deserts to icy mountains and lush subtropical regions. So, could any of these environments offer a suitable home for a silverback? If we consider climate, some parts of southern China, particularly regions like Yunnan, Guangxi, or even Hainan Island, experience subtropical or tropical climates that might, at first glance, seem somewhat similar to parts of a gorilla's native range. They have forests, and temperatures can be warm and humid. However, the devil is in the details. Even in these southern regions, China experiences more pronounced seasonal variations, including colder winters than the equatorial regions gorillas call home. A sustained cold period could be a significant challenge for a species not adapted to it. Then there's the crucial factor of food. While China has many types of forests, the specific plant species that make up a gorilla's diet are unique to Africa. Gorillas have evolved over millions of years to digest and thrive on these particular plants, introducing them to an entirely new flora. Even if it looks superficially similar, could lead to severe nutritional deficiencies or even be toxic. Their digestive systems are highly specialized. Imagine trying to feed a panda only eucalyptus leaves. It just wouldn't work because their bodies are adapted to bamboo. The same principle applies here. Beyond climate and diet, we also have to consider habitat size and human impact. China is a densely populated country, and while there are protected areas, finding truly vast, undisturbed tracts of forest that could support a self-sustaining population of large, territorial animals like gorillas without significant human-wildlife conflict would be incredibly difficult. Habitat fragmentation is a global issue, and it would be a major hurdle here. So, while it's a fascinating idea to ponder, the reality is that the complex interplay of climate, specific dietary needs, and the availability of vast, undisturbed habitat makes it highly unlikely that silverback gorillas could naturally survive and thrive in the wild in China. Their survival is intricately linked to their native African ecosystems. This thought experiment really highlights the incredible specialization of species and the delicate balance of ecosystems. It reminds us why conservation efforts are so vital in their native habitats. Protecting these magnificent creatures where they belong is the most effective and responsible way to ensure their future. Thank you so much for joining me on this intriguing journey today. I hope you found this discussion as thought-provoking as I did. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribing for more explorations into the natural world. Your support means a lot.